You paid for a ceramic coating, but a year later it's not working. The water doesn't bead like it used to. What went wrong? I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Service, and today I'll explain why ceramic coatings fail and how to prevent it. Poor preparation on the vehicle. The number one reason coatings fail is actually poor prep work within the car. If the paint wasn't prepped properly, cleaned, decontaminated and corrected before the ceramic coating, the coating doesn't bond to the vehicle. Oils, polish residue or contamination creates a barrier. The coating sits on top instead of actually bonding to the paintwork. This is why cheap, quick coatings often disappoint. The wrong product was used on the vehicle. Some ceramic coatings are actually just ceramic infused spray waxes. They last weeks, not years. True ceramic coatings itself is a liquid that hardens into a glass-like layer. It requires careful application and curing time on the vehicle. If your coating was sprayed on and wiped off in 5 minutes, that's not a real ceramic coating. Improper curing times. Now, ceramic coatings need times to cure, usually 24 hours minimum. During that time, it can't get wet. If the car did get wet during the curing period, or was applied in cold, humid conditions, the coating might not have hardened properly. This is why professionals use controlled environments where possible. Your maintenance on the vehicle. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. Some coating failures are actually the owner's fault on the vehicle. If you never wash the vehicle, if you use automatic car washes with brushes, or use harsh, high alkaline soaps, or never apply any maintenance products to the car, your coating will degrade faster than it should. Ceramic coating reduces maintenance, but it doesn't eliminate it completely. Now, how to maintain your ceramic coating. To make your coating last, wash every 2 to 4 weeks. Use pH neutral car shampoo and avoid automatic car brush washes. Apply a ceramic coating boost spray every few months and get an annual inspection on the vehicle from your local detailer. Follow those steps and your coating will last the full warranted period and beyond. Now, if your coating isn't performing, give us a call and we'll assess it and advise whether it needs topping up or reapplying. I'm James from Hadrians, and thanks for watching.